Welcome to SKT Engineering YouTube channel. In this lecture, we will discuss the interface of AutoCAD. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's start now. After completing this lecture, you will be able to know about different options like making a new drawing, recent documents, application menu, quick toolbar, info center, drawing area, navigation bar, view cube, viewport controls, dynamic flow, command window, and UCS. When you want to start a new drawing, just click on the Start Drawing icon. The area highlighted shows the recent document that you have worked on previously. These are displayed in this area. Here you can open them quickly. The application menu includes options like new drawing, open, save, import or export drawings, publish and print drawing, and also close the current document. Quick toolbar include the options that are displayed in the application menu, but you can access them quickly here instead of going to application menu. It also displays the name of project that you are working on. Ribbon area is the backbone of AutoCAD interface. It includes tabs like draw, modify, annotate, layers, blocks, properties, groups, utilities, clipboard, view, etc. The draw panel in the ribbon region includes options like line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, etc. You can also choose other options by clicking this arrow. This is the modify panel. Here options like move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, and scale the drawings are shown. You can also access more options by clicking this arrow. The annotation panel includes options like text, dimensions, etc. and tables. This is the layer panel. Here options for new layers, current layers are shown. You can also make new layers, you can delete the old ones, you can thaw, freeze, lock the layers, and other options are also present. The properties for each layer can be approached by clicking the layer properties. In the info center, you can get help from Autodesk community. You can search for commands and functions in the search box displayed in the info center area. In the drawing area, you can draw new drawings, you can modify the current ones, you can also drag the objects. We will discuss the drawing area and its purpose in the upcoming lectures in detail. Navigation panel includes options for navigation like navigation wheel, pan, zoom extend, orbit, and show motion. View cube enables you to view your drawings from different views like north, south, east, west, left, right, bottom, and more. In viewport controls, you can edit your documents from different views. Dynamic flow enables you to enter the command while you are in the drawing area. This is an easy way to enter the command. When you enter the first key for your desired command, a number of commands are displayed in the floating area. You can select your desired command here. For example, when I press the key L, the commands like line, loft, length, and other options are shown. I can access them quickly through this option. Instead of working or entering commands in the dynamic flow, you can enter it in the command window too. The UCS option in the bottom left corner shows different coordinates like X, Y, Z. It also includes other coordinates like world coordinates, which can be enabled from the 3D tool tab placed in the ribbon. I will show you. This is the 3D tool tab. I thank you all for listening to me carefully. Do revise the interface options because practice makes a man perfect. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Stay blessed.